Hey friends and fellow junk removal companies, this is Kirk Johnson with Gutsy Junk Fox. It's our mission to outfox clutter one garage at a time. I hope you're having a great time with family as you celebrate Christmas and a Happy New Year. I had a funny story today. Normally we don't do any installation. We only are a junk removal company, but some friends called and they had a dishwasher that was bad and they ordered a new Bosch dishwasher. Well, it just so happens that I had the same dishwasher and I installed it in our house about a year ago. So they asked me if I could install their new one and take away the old one. So I thought, well, let me give it a try. These guys are friends of mine. So I gave it a try, got it all hooked up, the hoses went in correctly, all the components looked just right. I turned it on, turned the circuit breaker on, and no power. So as it turns out, I think that their old dishwasher probably still worked. They just didn't have any juice coming to it. So the good news is for them, it was an old beat up dishwasher, and these Bosches are awesome. So if you're in the market for a dishwasher, we're not being sponsored by Bosch, but we just think they're really good. If you ever could use our services, we're in the metro Atlanta area, Marietta, Georgia. You can give us a call at 575-JUNK-FOX, or you can visit our website at junkfox.net. Thanks so much and have a great day.